Bike Maintenance Group was set up a year ago. We applied for the funding to the Prince's Trust and the Chamber of Commerce through the DYW. We made links with Ayrshire College. Once we got the funding and the staff, we selected 10 young people who were interested in bikes but were looking for more success. They weren't particularly academic boys, but were good with practical skills. Weren't too sure about what they wanted to do in their future as a career, so this was an opportunity to give them something they enjoyed, develop their skills and develop their confidence so they could begin to think about what they're good at and what their strengths are.
We fix the bikes and go out on the bikes to test them.
We look at the brakes, the tyres, how to pump them up, and the handlebars, how to put them on, how to fully fix a bike if we've got a problem.
Young people see relevance in the bike maintenance course. Many of them have got bikes at home, and then learning how to fix their bikes, fix the gears and the brakes, change punctures, and having the expertise for college lecturers to come in and show them the right way to do that. But it's also those interpersonal skills, being able to communicate and the confidence to use those skills in a practical situation. They can now talk about something they've done, something they feel successful about, and the ability to reflect on their strengths and talk about it is what we're trying to do and point them towards a positive destination.
It's a good chance to do this because you get a better qualification in it, and outside will take you in because you've got that qualification.
We'd like to get the community more involved, getting pupils and members of the community involved so the students can fix their bikes up and develop it as a sustainable initiative.
I'd say take it on, it's very fun, very good learning activity, learning to fix the bike.
A number of them, I've seen them developing confidence. One of the boys, he's not confident in classes and doesn't see himself as a success, but I saw him taking bikes apart, putting parts together, and he wouldn't give up. He showed real perseverance and focus, and that was great to see for someone that often felt like a failure, not successful at things. He was determined, and then when he got out on the bike, you could see that he had real skills and confidence there. He's applying for college, and he will be able to go to college and talk about having perseverance, having commitment, being able to use skills. You see these individual success stories that can make a difference with.